Have you ever wondered how to attract more bees and butterflies to your garden? These pollinators play a crucial role in our ecosystem, enhancing garden health and vibrancy. With a pollinator-friendly garden, you'll see the benefits bloom. Creating a pollinator paradise is easier than you might think. The first step in creating a pollinator paradise is to choose the right plants. Pollinators are drawn towards native plants and brilliantly colored flowers, so consider incorporating these into your garden. Planting in clusters is a pro tip, as it makes it easier for our winged friends to spot the blossoms. Favor diversity in your selection, as different plants attract different pollinators. From bees to butterflies, hummingbirds to beetles, each has unique preferences. Remember, the more diverse your garden, the more types of pollinators you'll attract. But plants are not the only thing pollinators need. They also need shelter and water. To create a refuge for these hardworking creatures, try leaving some areas of your garden undisturbed, allowing natural habitats to thrive. You can also set up bee houses, providing a safe space for our buzzing friends. Don't forget about water either. A bird bath or a shallow dish filled with water and stones for landing spots is perfect. Providing these essentials will make your garden a haven for pollinators. Lastly, it's crucial to avoid using pesticides in your garden. These substances can unintentionally harm our beneficial pollinators. Instead, consider natural pest control methods, like introducing beneficial insects or using organic sprays. By avoiding pesticides, you're not only protecting pollinators but also ensuring a healthier environment. So there you have it, a simple guide to creating your own pollinator paradise. We've explored how to choose the right plants that attract bees, butterflies, and more. We've discussed how to provide the necessary shelter and water for these beneficial creatures. And we've emphasized the importance of avoiding pesticides to maintain a healthy, thriving environment. Now it's your turn to start creating your own pollinator paradise. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.